Road bikes are a popular choice for cyclists who are looking for speed and efficiency on paved roads. There are many products available to choose road bikes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best road bikes from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ponym 1421 Speed Road Bike. The Ponym 26-inch road bike features an aerodynamic design that ensures minimal resistance, 21-speed efficient thumb shifters, a lightweight aluminum frame, comfortable ergonomic seat and handles, an easy assembly that takes only 15-25 minutes. The bike is perfect for both men and women and comes in multiple colors. Number 2. Schwinn Volair Hybrid Sports Road Bike. The Schwinn Volair 1300 hybrid bike is designed for quick and agile rides. The 21-inch aluminum fitness frame and rigid fork, along with 700C wheels, cater to riders between 5'4" to 6'2" in height. The Shimano 14-speed A050 shifters ensure swift and seamless gear changes. Equipped with alloy crank and double chain rings, this bike offers optimal gearing, while the alloy caliper brakes provide superior braking performance. The drop-style handlebar and sport saddle enhance comfort, and the high-profile double-wall alloy rims add durability. Number 3. 6Ku Fixed Gear Single-Speed Urban Fixie Road Bike. The 6Ku Fixie bike is equipped with a comfortable steel frame that ensures a smooth ride. It features reliable front and rear brakes for safe stopping. With a flip-flop hub, you can easily switch between fixed gear and freewheel riding options. The size guide helps you choose the right fit based on your height. Additionally, assembly is a breeze with the included tools and online video guide. Number 4. Hilland 700C Road Bike. Hilland Road Bike by H.H. Hilland is a lightweight aluminum road bike perfect for daily commuting. The double caliper brake system ensures immediate stops in emergencies. With a professional Shimano drivetrain featuring 14 speeds, you'll have total control in various terrains. Equipped with 700C tires, this bike requires less energy to maintain speed and offers better rollover capability. The assembly is easy with size options available for different heights. Enjoy a smooth riding experience with Hilland Road Bike. Number 5. Outroad Road Bike 1421 Speed Shifter 700C Wheels. Outroad Road Bike, a 21-speed 700C aluminum alloy frame bicycle, is designed for riders between 5'3" to 6'0" tall, weighing up to 330 pounds. The sturdy frame ensures stability on rough roads, with adjustable handlebars and seat post for comfort. Its quick shifting system allows you to effortlessly change gears for different terrains. The high-performance 700C tires tackle street racing challenges. The relaxed frame geometry provides a comfortable riding position, with a shallow handlebar drop for ease. Assemble easily with included tools for a thrilling speed cycling experience. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.